Are you planning to homeschool your child? Or you're probably asking yourself, is homeschooling right for me? Or you are new to this homeschooling thing. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that you need to know to get started in your homeschooling. Hi, my name is Lorraine of Intentional Homeschooler, helping intentional parents begin their homeschooling journey. In this channel, we do product reviews, day-in-the-life videos, and homeschooling tips just like this. So if you are new here, welcome and consider hitting the subscribe button. First is know your why. The first thing I did before I started to homeschool my child is I wrote down my whys. Why is it important to know your whys? Because your whys will give you direction and it will help you to move forward. Because no matter how we strongly believe that homeschooling is the best for our family, there will be moments na gusto natin ng time out. As parents, we can feel overwhelmed by all the responsibilities on our plate. And may mga tendencies to focus on work, tasks, expectations, activities, which doesn't really happen all the time. Your why helps you refocus on the things that matter most. And most of the time, we simply need to keep our eyes on the prize. So here are my whys. First why is to build a solid foundation of faith and values to my child. Second why, to give her higher quality education. Third why, to create a fun and healthy way of learning. So those are some of my whys. The question is, what are your whys? Today, I just want to encourage you, list down your whys. Then, allow your whys to encourage you, to motivate you, to pull you through along your homeschooling journey. Second is, plan your how. Benjamin Franklin said, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. And alam nyo ba, even the Bible teaches us how important planning is. In Luke 14:28, it says, for which of you, desiring to build a tower, does not first sit down and count the cost, whether he has enough to complete it? So what do you mean by counting the cost? Is it all about money? Well, it's not only about money. Counting the cost means you plan ahead. You take an inventory of the things that you need before pursuing that goal. Now, you may not know all the details that you need to achieve, but at least alam mo yung mahalagang bagay that you need to prioritize in order for your goal to be successful. What are the things that you need to plan? You should decide whether to have a provider or to be independent. So here in the Philippines, homeschooling is classified in 2 ways. So first is enrolling with a provider which is accredited by the DepEd or the Department of Education. Second, independent homeschooling, meaning hindi mo kailangan mag-enroll sa homeschool provider. Second that you need to plan is you need to know your homeschooling style that works for you and for your children, because every family is unique. Third is create simple daily plans. What is your current routine? What works? What doesn't work? Or you can establish new routine. Fourth thing that you need to plan is you have to create a weekly, quarterly, to yearly goals. Third is, anyone can homeschool. I'm very sure that you can successfully teach your child at home because you are already doing it. You know, home teaching is a natural extension of parenting. Alam nyo ba na you've been a teacher since the day that your child arrived in your family? Hindi natin kailangan maging expert. We just need resources and help. No teacher has all the answers to all the questions. But a good teacher knows when to seek help. Homeschooling has taught me so much about myself. It has broken me, it built me back up, and it has made me realize how much I need the Lord in this process. Fourth is, look for homeschool support group. Finding support and encouragement is vital for the homeschooling parent because no man is an island. There will be moments that quitting is the best option. It's not always easy. A lot of times, it's hard and challenging, and you would question yourself, bakit ba ako nag-homeschool? Support group is very important. They're there to encourage us, to give us advice, to help us through those difficult times. And they will remind us why we homeschool in the first place. Fifth is, homeschooling is not like school. It's completely a different way of thinking about education and a different way of approaching education. Sa bahay namin, it's always home and it's always school. Meaning, everyone is free to discuss science or geography during dinner. We are free to express or share our frustration during math lesson. Remember, you don't have to make your homeschool like a traditional school classroom. If you do, you would definitely miss out the benefits of home education like the flexibility, collaborative learning, the holistic approach, and the character formation, and many more. Traditional schools are there for those who want it. So homeschooling parents, make your home education what you want it to be, as unique and as special as your own family. Those are the 5 things that you need to know to get started in your homeschooling. If this video has helped you, hit the like button. Question of the day: what are some of your whys in homeschooling your child? Share it in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.